My name is Candace Payne. Before the accident, I enjoyed traveling and getting with family and friends, go to the movies, take my kids out, and just enjoy life. The day of the accident, I was sitting at my desk doing my work. The chair just came from under me like a ghost took it, hit my head, snapped my neck, and then I fell completely on the floor. And then I went to the emergency room. This accident disturbed 2 discs in my neck, bulged a disc in my lower back, and then I ended up seeing a neurosurgeon, and he did the surgery for me. Thereafter, I returned to work. I went to Natchitoches, Louisiana for a workshop. We were trying to find a restaurant, and this guy backed up into the back of my vehicle. I was headed out and I could see him coming at me, and I just knew we was gonna be bumped into the highway. That accident ended up impacting the first surgery and 2 more discs underneath that. So I had to go back into surgery to get the titanium plate off and replace to catch everything else. End up with 5 surgeries, so I'm living with nerve damage right now. There's not a day without pain. Sometimes I just don't sleep 24, 48 hours. Driving was taken away from me, so that was another downfall for me. I had to depend on others, so I stopped going to church. Traveling, I missed a lot of family reunions until I was able to get clearance to get hand controls. And then even after that, I still would forget because I was so used to staying inside. I would forget I could just get in my car and go. I found Glenn Armentor Law Firm by the commercials that were coming on, and also I went on the internet and I did my own research. And they invited me in for a consultation and gave me Shannon Dartas to see. Shannon was able to help me be able to move on, even when I was losing hope. She was able to reel me in and say, Miss Candace, just hang in there. You know, it's gonna get frustrating before it gets better. Just hang in. I guess that's what really kept me going, besides, praying and stuff like that. It was the attitude of who was working with me. I met Mr. Glenn. He came in the conference room I was sitting in on the first floor. He was very receptive. He introduced himself, even though I knew who he was, and he said, just let me know if you need anything. The firm took care of my 2 workers' comp cases. They make you feel welcome. They are very attentive. You leave a message, they'll call you. It might be after the time that they're closed. What I would like to tell Glenn Armentor and his staff and Shannon is I appreciate everything they've done. They have gone beyond what I thought could happen. I would recommend Glenn Armentor Law Corporation. One of the biggest reasons for that is their dedication to their clients. I think they deserve to be voted #1 every year for the best law firm in Lafayette. My name is Candace Payne. I was an actual client of the Glenn Armentor Law Corporation, and I was not paid to be here.